I only buy the finest tea leaves. Zesta. See BOPF.
If BOPF is indicated on the pack.
Zesta, the art of tea.
Gale force winds blew across Madewachchiya, Urapeenuwala and Kokatiyagollawa in the Anuradhapura district last evening.
The Disaster Management Centre in Anuradhapura said that around 6 houses have been destroyed as a result of the strong wind. Several electricity posts and trees were toppled by the strong winds. A correspondent noted that the area has been experiencing an electricity supply disruption since last evening. The Anuradhapura District Office of the Disaster Management Centre notes that roads that were blocked by debris blown onto the roads by the winds have now been cleared.